Oops, I dropped a heart.
We're filming.
Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and we are coming to you this evening to make our Valentine banner. We made this banner. We love decorating our mantle. This is Jordan. He's going to help me this afternoon. We did this interchangeable rag banner for fall, which I shared with you guys, and we changed it out for Christmas and had our stockings in it, and now we're changing it up for Valentine. Still the same piece of twine that we're working with there in the back, and we're adding some new, let me turn around, some new material. This is some of the material that we used on our fall banner. We're going to use it for Valentine's as well. And then we got some hearts, and I'm going to show you what that is. We got, let me see.
I really want to tell you.
Okay, hold on. We got this little garland with, it's got these cute little felt hearts, burlap, and like a buffalo plaid, black and white. We got this at the dollar store for $2.50. The garland is cute as can be. It's already on twine, but it's not quite long enough for my mantle. So we're going to kind of dismantle it and reuse it. And then this one, the other garland, was red burlap and like this beautiful stripe. So we're going to reuse those along with the material. You'll see I already have one hanging up there. And then we're going to do, when I posted a sneak peek of it, I told you guys to think love letter. We're going to use some basic white envelopes to make our little thing, our little banner, and our love notes. And then Jordan has, I found these Scrabble piece letters at Hobby Lobby. They were just a few dollars, and we're gonna break them apart and use them on our envelopes. And that's what Jordan's gonna do. He's gonna put these together. Yes.
I really want to tell you a comment right now, but you said that.
Well, we're gonna, hey Terry, how are you? I'm going to try to read some of the comments in between, but we're going to knock this out here. Okay, Bub, you do this part.
Okay, fine.
And remember the word you're doing,
yeah.
Love on one. We've got 5 envelopes we're going to use up. So what I did, let me show you how I took this apart. It came apart. I had to use a little bit of elbow grease, but it worked.
Elbow grease?
Pretty easy. Muscle.
Oh.
All right. So see, I thought it was going to come apart easy. I don't know if you can see. It's got a little loop, but they hot glued it down. Like I thought I was going to just be able to pull the twine out, which I did save the twine. Never throw anything away because I can use that somewhere else. But I had to kind of pull it. And when I pulled it, of course it broke the little loop, which is fine because all I did, just pull it out. I didn't want to have to re-sew, and I don't want to permanently adhere it to my twine string back here because the whole point is it's interchangeable. We can keep reusing it and changing it out for the holidays. So it breaks the little loop when you pull it, but we're going to use safety pins for that. We're just going to pin it up there, and that works. So I'm going to go ahead and rip these out. This is a super easy way to decorate your mantle, just with this original. I got, I think, 1/4 yard of this polka dot material in the fall when I did our fall banner. And when I think the strips that I cut were about 18 inches long. And all I did when I took down the fall mantle is I just put all the pieces that I used for the fall in one of those 2.5 gallon Ziplocs, let all the air out, sealed it up, and put it up with the fall decorations so it's ready to just reuse in the fall. If I want to change out the material, I can, or add something new to it. But that's the fun of this, is you can just keep changing it out. It's not a permanent situation. So while Jordan, do you have the first one ready, Bub?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So this is what he did. The little Scrabble pieces they had sticky adhesive on the back. So I'm just going to take our envelope, our love note, and we're just gonna open the flap, if you can see, and we're just gonna kind of hang it from the back, and it should hang fine just like that, but we're just gonna put a little piece of tape on the back, which it's an envelope, so it should, oops. I didn't wanna like seal it shut, I just gently put a piece of tape on there. And we'll get to position all this. Back up, please. All right, you got all these done?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Those look good. Oh, I like how you did the heart right there. All right, hang on.
There are two
So,
hearts.
which color heart should we use next? We've got red. I guess we'll do
Red, yellow,
this pattern.
no, orange.
We'll do this one. So we're going to do the buffalo plaid here.
Someone call.
Okay, baby. Oh, Aunt Terry said good job.
Yeah.
All right, so
I choose to make
we're
them.
gonna run our safety pin through the back, maybe. I'll try not to poke myself. Probably needed a bigger safety pin, but
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
nope. That's Jaws.
I know.
All right, so you can see where we're going with that. Well, we gotta do some more rag of the little material. So we're gonna do 2 of these, and to put these on, here, you hold that one, Bubba. All right, we're just going to hold it up in the front and put your fingers right there in between, and you just grab the tails and pull them through. And it's that simple. Just kind of pull them tight, twist them around. This is so easy. I hope so. So we're making it as easy as possible. Yes, babe.
I love the Lenny and Lois put Lois
Oh,
card.
thank you. We sell those on our shop. And who's making that? Who's asking about the sign?
Danielle, Miss Danielle.
Oh, Miss Danielle. I think, don't you have one, Danielle? We do sell those on the shop. We can customize those
Miss Danielle goes through a lot of your videos.
for anybody. Okay. All right, back up so they can see our banner. All right, so that's what we have going on, and we can kind of adjust this. That didn't feel good. All right, let's see.
I call this one.
No, we're going to do, let me see. Yeah, we need another heart.
Oh, you made a little like pattern.
So we need this one.
You made a little pattern. I like that.
I do have a pattern going on. So now we're going to go with our burlap heart.
Hey, I chose it.
Well, we're going to kind of space out the red one.
Miss Danielle likes the banner.
Awesome.
All
All right, bub. Need this. Right? We said we were going to do you next. All right.
I think it might have been and though.
And?
No, it could not have been and.
Okay.
All right, what's next on the pattern? Oh, we have another heart. Okay, now I call this heart.
This heart, well, that's the one we need. Awesome.
And then we need the two mini banners.
Well, this one's got a big glob of glue on the back. They put a lot of glue on the back to hold that tab down.
Oh gosh, no.
All right.
Nana, ignore that comment.
All right.
Ignore that last comment. Hey,
All
no,
right, let me
I-
see this. Thank you. All right.
You can't blame me. I watched the line yesterday. The real one. Oh, it's green. Man, I just now realized that that light was lime green.
All right. And so there you have it. That's the beginning. I've kind of gone through the pattern of all the hearts. So we're going to finish it up. We're going to get to work, finish it up, and then I'll take a picture and show you the rest. But all we did was simply tie on with a little slip knot our material, these hearts that came off of a dollar store banner, and then we did a regular envelope with little Scrabble pieces, and I just happened to find those. You could certainly do some handwriting, like use a black pen and address it to someone, or you can put a love sentiment on it. You could stamp it with some hearts or something. Like I said, we just happened to find those, but it would be cute with anything, or let your kids decorate the envelope. And then we got 2 different banners, so we had 4 different hearts, and so we just kind of repeated the pattern, and we'll do that all the way across, and then we'll post a picture of the finished product. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you do it with your kids and decorate your mantle for Valentine's. So until I see you again, happy crafting.
Bye.